Uh, Warm greetings to all NRB experts spread all over the world. My name is Mahfouz Anam. I'm the editor and publisher of the Daily Star. I would like to flatter myself in thinking that most of you are familiar with the Daily Star and that you do us the honor of reading the paper. And if you do, then you will probably be aware of the fact that we are constantly trying to innovate, do new things for the betterment of the country. For some time we have been aware that there are a large number of Bangladeshi experts doing work all over the world and earning fame and honor for the country. And I'm also aware that most of you, if not all of you, are looking for ways to involve yourself with the country of your birth, the country of your origin, and you are looking for ways to be a part of the development process of Bangladesh, in which we are making steady but firm advancement. With that in our mind, we have decided to create a data bank of all the NRB experts from all over the world and categorize that data bank in terms of your profession, in terms of your expertise, and over time develop a huge base of human resource upon which government of Bangladesh, the private sector of Bangladesh, the think tanks of Bangladesh could call upon. So the idea is that we make a functional, elaborate database of all of you spread out throughout the world, divided into your professional expertise and also mentioning the various fields in which you are currently working. And with that view in mind, we in the Daily Star would like to invite you, urge you, request you to kindly enroll in that data bank and help us develop it, enrich it, so that, as I said, the government of Bangladesh or the private sector or think tanks of Bangladesh can access your work and access you personally, so that some sort of a personal link is established, and thereby we benefit from your professional expertise and you in turn have an opportunity to link up with the work that is going on in Bangladesh. So I urge you to kindly help us, help the Daily Star, hopefully your favorite paper, develop this data bank. Thank you very much.